Hello, I am Mrs. Conian Talanya Magnaye Jumentisa Jr., also named as Mrs. Conian Talanya Magnaye Quezon the First. Myself is married to Alexander Jumentisa Jr., also named as Manuel Quezon the First, which is myself is being put on single status even though I am married. And then what they is putting me on deadness, they is killing me. I not know why. Stabbing knife is seriousness that they is putting me on that situation. I am now on the government services and at SMR. And then they is killing my healthness, putting heart pain illness on myself. So this is seriousness doing of criminality person. So it is 1 minute and